How to delete a page in Microsoft Word app. Hi everyone, welcome back to Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to be guiding you through how you can easily delete a page in Microsoft Word. First of all, open the Microsoft Word app on your smartphone. Now open up the document that contains the page you want to delete. This is the document where I have multiple pages. If you want to delete a page, then you'll not find any specific delete page button. Scroll to the page you want to remove and tap anywhere on the page. Now click on Edit. Once you get to the edit mode, go ahead and select all the text, images, tables, and object on the page. Since I only have the text, I'm gonna select all the text with this cursor option. Once you select all the text or details from the page, click on Delete and now click on Done. And now you can go ahead and tap on the backspace button and you'll be taken to the front page. And now click Done and you'll then be able to see there are only 2 pages at the moment. All you need to do is to delete all the text, images, tables, or object on the page you want to delete. Make sure nothing on the previous or next page is accidentally selected. Just select the content from the specific page you want to delete and delete all of those details, and this will now make your page disappear if all the content is removed. So that is the way you can easily delete a page you no longer need on Microsoft Word. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. I will be back in the next episode. Thank you for watching.